Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can add fonts in Google Doc. Now you already have tons of font in Google Doc, but if you want to add more fonts, what you can do is basically just click on more fonts. Once you click on more fonts, you can search for the fonts over here using their name and you can get it. But let's say you want to get more fonts than the fonts that's already in Google Doc. In that case, what you can do is click on extension, click on add-ons and click on over here get add-ons. Once you click on get add-ons, this page will open up. Now over here you want to search for font and click on extensions font. Once you click on it, click on extensions font over here and then it's going to open up like this. Click on install. It's going to ask you which Google account you want to use. So choose your Google account and over here click on allow. Once you do that, it'll start to download and once its downloading is complete, it'll install. Once it's installed, click on next, click on done. Now close this box. You can go on extension and then you can click extensions font and click on start. Once you do that, extensions font will open up over here. Now from this side, you can choose whichever font you want, okay? So that is basically how you guys can get add-ons or add fonts on your Google Doc. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.